All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Saitama Inu. Yep, this cryptocurrency is down a lot right this second. Is this cryptocurrency dead? Or is this cryptocurrency a great discount buy or buying the dip? I mean, the number is really high. We're going to go over that in a little bit. Go to their website, check out their Twitter account, all kinds of good stuff. Also, Dogecoin is the #1 traded token among Binance chain whales. Yeah, Dogecoin is basically making a big hit with the whales right now. We're going to kind of cover that. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody. So I don't know if you watched the football over the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, those championship games, but there was all the crypto.com and the FTX commercials going on. So the NFL with those commercials are going to make everybody know about cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Saitama Inu. All right, Saitama Inu, 2873. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Down 33% in the last 7 days, a third. Is this cryptocurrency dead? I mean, or is this the best discount buy you've ever seen in your life? 33%, it's actually 33.13, 33 and a third pretty much, almost. All right, let's click it. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros and a 25.31. We'll do a price prediction a little bit later. It's up slightly, 0.5% in the last 24 hours. Take a look in the last 7 days. Here's what's been going on. It's kind of dropped off the mountain big time. It did do a little bounce back, and it's going back down. So this cryptocurrency is down, just like so many cryptocurrencies. Let's check out the holders. How many people are holding this cryptocurrency? Check in 3 months. All right, here we go, everybody. 90 days ago, there's about 141,000 people holding the Saitama Inu, 141. Today, there's 319. So more than double, 100% growth, 140, 140 is 280. So over 100% more people owning this cryptocurrency in the last 90 days. That's definitely a good sign. Over here at the Twitter account, welcome to Saitama Inu, a community-driven platform that promotes global finance well-being by empowering the youth to be in control of their money and their life. The SaitaMask, that thing is live now. You can go ahead and start using that. We'll go over that a little bit. Here's something that's basically interesting. It says, Dear Saitama Inu community, there's been recent conversations and questions regarding one of our core developers. As many of you know, Steve Rocket Crypto first became involved with Saitama Inu in July of 2021. He has brought onto the board of 7 to help us educate our community through his YouTube channel. It has been several weeks since Steve's last contributed to the project and community. He has made it clear that he is no longer wishing to contribute to our project. Therefore, we'll begin the process of removing him from our board, and we wish him well in the future. So one of their YouTubers, Steve Rocket Crypto, is not going to be part of their team or the development team with Saitama Inu. I mean, just sharing that information. Maybe Saitama Inu wants me to actually start talking about them all the time. They can contact me. My email is on my page. We'll promote this cryptocurrency and learn all about it. All right, so just sharing that with you. On the website here, there's a 32-minute video about Saitama Inu. Pretty good stuff. You want to check that out. All right, over here at the website, Fostering the Future of Finance. Welcome to Saitama Inu, a community-driven platform promoting finance and well-being by empowering people of all ages, culture, to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 with smart codes that makes it a safe investment and beneficially to hold. So to educate the next generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all.
Welcome to Saitama Inu. We are a global community of committed individuals, building a platform that will help people understand money and create their own wealth opportunities. We come from different places. We speak different languages. We have different codes, but we share the same dream. We believe in a world bound together by human connection, and we foster this vision by building financial tools and a content publishing ecosystem that will make financial well-being accessible to people of different cultures, ages, and economic status. Start seeing returns today by investing in tomorrow. Join us at Saitama Inu.
All right, that's right on their website, so let's finish it. To educate the new generation of investors and make financial well-being accessible to all. So here's what they say. Although digital currency has been around for over decades, we are still in the early stages of the revolution that will recognize our society, redistributing wealth and giving anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, but for the global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need not only to overcome technology hurdles, but to simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that makes people comfortable with money while they invest, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. So that's kind of like their mission statement right there, our mission. So they're going to help the youth to get good with their finances, which is fantastic. You know, the Saitama token, our token has a fair launch on the Ethereum ERC20 network on the 31st of May, so it's been out for a while. So is this crypto dead? 33% down? I mean, I don't know. A lot of people are, you know, with the Doge on Mars, it was down 40%, and a lot of people are commenting on my channel saying that, no, they're repositioning. Oh, no, they're going ahead and they're buying. It's the best discount buy ever. So, I don't know. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think about it being 33% down? So, 3 things. Passive income system. 2% of every transaction with Saitama Inu is dedicated to redistribute to our pool of holders. It means that just by holding, you will see numbers of tokens increase automatically every day as the community transact. Second thing, deflationary currency. An additional 2% of the amount as the transaction is taken out of circulation, meaning that our token is consistently shrinking and making your Saitama increase in the value with time. We have already started with 49% of the supply burn. This is the one that's good right here, anti-whale trap. Everyone is expected to make a profit, but we want the profit to be for everyone. Saitama is coded in a way that prevents big whale wallets from trying to manipulate the prices in their favor or by dumping the token or by selling out. You know, that's kind of a big thing, these whales controlling the prices, so they have things built in with Saitama Inu, so that can't happen. That's some fantastic news. All right, so give us your comments. Saitama Inu, if you were into buying this token and you wanted it, you know, and you wanted to reload back up, would you reload back up at 10% down? Would you reload back up at 20% down? Like 20%, oh my God. 25%? This token is 33% down right this second in the last 7 days. Definitely want to put this on your radar. If this was a project you were into or thinking about getting into, I mean, all the cryptocurrencies have been down in the last, 3 to 5 days. I don't believe this is a Saitama Inu thing. I think this is an overall crypto thing. Wait till the market bounces back, and then all of a sudden, as we see on the flip side, all these cryptocurrencies going back. All right, Dogecoin is the #1 traded token among the Binance chain list of whales. So Dogecoin has not stopped. Let's head over to Dogecoin. So right here, Dogecoin is now the most traded among the 1,000 largest Binance chain whales. There's a little Doge right there. It says the meme-based cryptocurrency Dogecoin was the most traded cryptocurrency among the wealthiest Binance chain whales in the last 24 hours. What happened? According to the update, the wallet tracker, Doge was the most traded among the 1,000 BSC whales. The top 1,000 BSC whales are now holding 46,618 Doge, according to the whale estimates. This is Doge was trading at around 15 cents. They're saying 15 cents. Doge is at 14 cents right now. Pretty close. And it was down 8% in the last 24 hours. This meme-based cryptocurrency as a negative price effect was part of the wider crypto market sell-off during the Asian hours. You know, they're saying Bitcoin was under 40,000. It's around 35, 36 right now. So the key on this right here is Dogecoin. You remember, Dogecoin is now the most traded among the 1,000 Binance chain whales. You want to pay attention to what the whales do. When the whales swim, you want to swim next to the whales. When they're buying things, you want to be paying attention to what they're buying. When they're selling things, you want to be paying attention to what they're selling. This is, again, tracking the whales. A lot of people like the whales because the whales have resources. They have all kinds of planners. They have people that work for them that are educated, that are learning about the coin, researching the coin. So when they make a move, it's almost like the Burger Kings with the McDonald's. There's always a Burger King next to the McDonald's because McDonald's puts their restaurants there. Same type of thing. When the whales move, you may want to pay attention to that. Look at Dogecoin right here in the last day, in the last week. Looks like it was at 16 cents and it's been coming down, coming down. Within the last month, it actually hit a peak of about, what is this here? 19 cents. Yeah, it almost went to 20 cents. I remember that. So it's been at 18 and 19 cents in the last, 30 days. Again, right here on Robinhood, you have all these little charts and stuff. You can go to your 3 months, what it was doing 3 months ago. 3 months ago was 27 cents, 29 cents. So you can go to 1 year ago. Right here is that May time when it hit all the way almost 70 cents, 69 cents. All right. So don't forget to use your Robinhood account so you can kind of watch and pay attention to everything. They got really good stats. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, let's go ahead and head over to Saitama Inu, little price prediction, and check this token out. 33% down. I mean, this could be an amazing video for you because if you're trying to reposition, all your cost averages are going to be lower. Again, over here at the website, Saitama print prices. Here's the SaitaMask is here. One shop for DeFi. Uses for bank cards to purchase tokens, buy and sell goods and services using crypto, learn and improve financial skills, create and trade NFTs. So there's your SaitaMask. So you want to check that out right there, everybody. All right, so this token's down 30%. What's our price prediction? I'm going to say it's going to bounce back 15 or 20%. It may bounce back all the whole 33% in the next week to 5 weeks. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but we see crypto go like this. Okay, so now it's on the down. So what happens next? You got it. It goes like that. So checking this crypto out. I definitely like the crypto. I don't think it's dead. So right here on CoinMarketCap, 28.70. Also checking this out, look at Spooky Swap. Spooky Swap is up actually 22%. So keep an eye on the Spooky Swap. And Thor is up 78% in the last 7 days. Thor is up actually 20% in the last 24 hours. So a lot of stuff going on with Thor. All right, everybody, Saitama Inu, little Dogecoin right there. Bring you video every single day, Monday through Friday at noon. Bonus videos around 5 or 8. Everybody, let's have a fantastic day today on Tuesday. We'll see you a little later on today.